Hi, my name is Caitlin Smith, Research and Development Chemist at Nil Odor Incorporated, and I'm excited to talk to you guys today about the science behind Nil Odor's newest product, the leather cleaner and conditioner. So regardless of the leather surface, whether that be furniture, clothing, or shoes, there are several factors to keep in mind to maintain the quality of the leather, one of which being exposure to UV light. The sun's UV rays act as a natural bleaching agent, so the more you expose the leather, the more you're going to bleach out the color and vibrancy of the leather. The second factor to keep in mind is moisture content. During the tanning portion of processing, the leather is exposed to a variety of oils, which are meant to make the fibers plump and pliable. So over repeated use and exposure to the sun, the moisture content evaporates, and that leaves the leather prone to cracking and is very dry and brittle. The active ingredients in our leather cleaner and conditioner include vegetable-derived glycerin and a silicone surfactant blend that works synergistically to clean, protect, and polish all in one step. The vegetable-derived glycerin acts as a humectant, which is analogous to a magnet in how it functions. On the surface, the glycerin seals in the moisture that's already there, also while attracting moisture from the environment. This makes the leather very pliable and plump, similar to the tanning process. The silicone surfactant blend provides a superficial shine and polish while also removing superficial stains and surface soils. Overall, the formula dries to a protective coating that is streak-free and fingerprint resistant, also while providing a degree of UV protection. Other formulas rely on harsh petroleum-based solvents, which are VOCs. Our formula is founded on the basis of green chemistry and relies on eco-benign ingredients that are low in VOC. Thank you guys for watching.